What?
Also at 45
Okay.
p.m. At 6:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Mason City, moving east at 25 miles per hour.
You could open up a different ad.
Include $$ hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Mason City, North Springs, Rockwell, Mason City Municipal Airport, Clear Lake, Doherty, Birch Hill, Portland, and Clear Lake State Park. This includes Interstate 25 between mile markers 185 and 198. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service Office in Des Moines. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties: